loves, welcome back to my quarantine cooking with Miko. I've been enjoying sharing these videos with you, and many of you have been sharing your likes in the DM, and many of you have given me suggestions also. So if you have a suggestion to see something that you would like me to make in the kitchen, I've been working on something and I'm super excited to share with you as the weeks come up. Just finding my passion being in this house and cooking. But today I'm going to share something with you guys, and we're going to do some guacamole and some Pico de Gallo. Just a quick snack, something simple, nothing heavy, just something that you can snack on without any heavy meals for a Saturday afternoon. So let's get started. I'm going to share with you guys how I put this together. We're going to use some cilantro. We're going to use some plum tomatoes. We have lime, 4 avocados, some salt, some garlic, and onion. For this portion, I'm going to make some fresh tortillas and take these soft tortillas and just cut them and create these mini triangles. And you can add salt to them if you want. I didn't do it here. I just place them in a baking sheet and put them in the broiler. I did it for probably about 3 to 5 minutes to your desired crispness, and then you just take them out and you just lay them out and use them with your guacamole. And here I just use the mold from the shell of the guacamole, and this way it's just like a personal cup, so you just scoop it out and just clean it and just add your guacamole to that. And it's, like I said, it's an actual little mini cup for personal size. For the Pico de Gallo, we have some onion, we have tomatoes, we have some green onions, cilantro, 2 limes, salt and pepper, and garlic. So instead of using chips for the Pico de Gallo, I decided to take this baguette and thinly slice it and place it in the broiler like I did the chips, and just put some of my roasted chili oil on it to give it a little bit more flavor, and pop with the Pico de Gallo and add that to the platter.